Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Backpackers, remote workers, and emergency preppers are the three groups that will love the Jackery Explorer 300 power station. A backpacker on a 2-day trek can charge a drone, camera, and phone at once. The two pure sine wave AC outlets and a fast charge USB-C port delivering 60 watts protect gadgets from surges. Remote workers in a van can run a laptop and monitor from the 300 watts stable power, then recharge the unit in 2 hours via wall outlet while the 60-watt USB-C input also charges, eliminating downtime on client calls. During a blackout, an emergency prepper can power a TV and LED light, then refill the battery overnight with a Jackery SolarSaga 100 panel, thanks to the MPPT controller. Weighing 7.1 pounds, the Explorer 300 packs 293 watt-hours for hassle-free off-grid use.